Hello and welcome to welcome back. I think I'm doing a teaching session and I know I'm not. Okay, so yesterday we discussed how to create a course on Teachable, and we will go back to Teachable in a little while. But before we do that, I wanted to show you how to save your PowerPoint presentations after you've recorded, created it and recorded it um, as a slideshow. You need to keep all the text on the page in your PowerPoint presentation static because it doesn't work when you're having text and images and so forth flying about on your presentation. It doesn't work on Teachable, or I haven't worked out how it works. So here I am in my PowerPoint presentation, and to enable you to get the code rather than uploading the presentation directly to Teachable, what you will do here is save this on your cloud drive. So in my case, it's OneDrive, and most people, depending on what Microsoft products you have, then if you don't have cloud, then I'm sure there are some apps that you could download, like Dropbox, something like that, that you could download to your system and you can save it in that area. But for the purpose of this video, we're using OneDrive. Okay, so you would go make sure that your file is already saved on the computer. So it's already saved, and I've made a slight change on this presentation, so I'm just saving it again. But to save it to OneDrive, you go to File, okay, and you click on Save As, and then you click on OneDrive Personal, and then this was the introduction file, wasn't it? Right, so I've got it here already, so I'll just double click on that to open that file on the OneDrive. Okay, and then I'm going to go back here and save it as the same name. Okay, so that means I'm going to be replacing this file on OneDrive. Okay, so yes, I'm replacing that, and then I now need to go back to OneDrive. Okay, so now I am back on OneDrive and I've opened the file and I'm going to copy the code again, because now that I've changed the file, it won't be available on Teachable. So I need to go back into admin here, and I need to go back to my course. Got to open the course here. Okay, and then I've got to go back to the word that I cannot pronounce, curriculum, and go back to the presentation, to the introduction presentation. I hope that was the right file. Oh no, I got the wrong file. Hold on a minute. I think I put the wrong file up. Hold on. Have I? Let's have a look. No, it's the correct file. So let's go back here and then go to edit. Remove the code that was there before. Okay, so this old code here. Go in here, click in that box, delete the old code because that will no longer be available because I've now changed that code because I've edited the document. Okay, so we go and place the new code here, paste that in, okay, and then save that again. And I'm going to preview that to make sure that it's okay. Okay, and there we have it. The file has been uploaded. Okay, and there we go. All right, so that's a new file that was edited. So I am going to come out of that. All right, just wanted to show you how to organize your PowerPoint presentation, where to put it in the cloud, so that you can actually use a code as opposed to uploading your file directly from your computer. Okay, so we're going to go back and then now show you how to create your your pages. So first of all, we're going to go back to, what was it, how to make a YouTube video, which is a file we were using yesterday. Okay, and we want to create a sales page. So we start with clicking on the sales page here, and this is what we need to change. So this is what will come up if you don't actually edit this. Okay, you need to have text and so forth, the name of the name of your course and so forth. So that's not there, and that's what we need to do now. So I'm going to close that down, and what we're going to do, we're going to click here. So we just going back through the process. You go here, okay, you click on the course that you want to create the name for. You go to pages, okay, and then we're going to go here. Okay, that's a primary, and we're going to go and edit that page. Okay, that's once that's loaded, we want a banner. So you can go to the banner first, point on this area here where you can see an arrow to get to a banner, and you can upload your own image if you want to. They normally have some images here, but you can upload your own images. Let's see if they've got any images here, web images available. You can actually search for them. Let me go and get one from my computer. It's a lot easier. Okay, so I'm just going to pick one of these images here up. Let's go and get I want a computer image. Let's see, go to picture, go to picture, go to pictures, and then I can go to scroll down and pick up an image here. What have we got that we can upload from there? Let's try and look for one with a there you go. Click on the computer and open that, and then you click on, once that's there, the file is there, you upload the file. But sometimes they give you an option as well. So there you can see the images here. You don't actually have to give the image a text, but you do have to give it a heading. Okay, so the name of our course was how to what was it now, how to make a YouTube video, was it? YouTube video. Okay, so then the subtitle would be, you can put in here, just delete what's there, what's actually in that box, and replace it. So you can call it the subtitle can be what, a step-by-step guide, I think we said it was. So a step-by-step guide to creating and uploading a YouTube. Is that a capital T? Maybe that's why it's questioning YouTube video. Okay, and then to change the text, you click on here and go to design, go to the design area, and you can either use this image overlay to make the image behind fade out a little bit so you can actually see the text a bit more clearly, or you can change the text color. Is up to you. I will leave it like that. Okay, and that is how you would create that. We need to publish that, but if you go back here, right, then you can go in and put in, add the text below to give a bit more information here in this section about what your course is about. So you can replace this text. So you just remove what's in this box and write what the course is about. And you can even change this to call it course curriculum, as opposed to just having the word curriculum there. Okay, so if we go back here, um, where it says that course curriculum is what I'm talking about right here, you can actually go in here and change the word. So you can edit this here. And then also if you have any image with text, like image of yourself, so you can upload an image of yourself as well. Okay, so you have a head image. Try and make it a professional looking one. Okay, so go for a head image, preferably a professional looking one. Okay, do I have any? Let's just use that, but I don't actually want this image on here, to be honest with you, but just to show you. Okay, so you upload the image, and then once you've uploaded the image, all right, that will appear there, and then you can even tell, either have it on the left or the right. Okay, as well as then you can go down below and here remove where it says hi, enter your name, and a write a bio about who you are, so as you're introducing yourself to your learners. If you go to the design area, you can tell whether you want your image to be either centered, and you will see it changing there, or whether you want it to be on the right hand side, and the image should um, end up being on the right hand side. So if I update that, click on update. Okay, it's been updated. It actually tells you that it's updated. And let's preview this as if this was published. So when you preview it as being published, then you got your name, the image behind, the subtitle, and you can also change this as well to say enroll now. So you just go back to the same area where you're doing your editing here and go back. Okay, and that's, you've got your pricing area. So okay, you can add other images along here. I don't know, they could be motivational images. That's what I've used it for. And then you've got like a text with grid, which is like for feedback and stuff like that. So right, this preview, continuously updating as you're going along, and you can do a preview as a draft. Okay, as well as you can do, let me just get rid of that, and then you can also do a preview as published. Okay, so now I can click off that and that too. Okay, now that you know how to do that, I want to now go back to the area where I show you how to actually do the same thing for your site. Okay, so that was going actually into the course that you're creating. Okay, clicking on the course. Just to recap, is going here, clicking on the course that you're creating, and then you'll see a new box come up here. Okay, and you click on the page section to go and create your page for your course. Now we want to create the page for your overall school. Okay, so we want to go to site. So we click here where it says site, and we pretty much do the same thing as we done before. So you would go to pages, okay, and then this is your home page. All right, so you'd want to click on that edit button, and it will take you here with the same thing. So you've got the banner, the text image, the same thing as I showed you, but this is for your overall site, and this page will act as what they call a capture page. So when learners come in and register here, you will be able to get the capture the details, so that you can as a funnel, create as a funnel. Okay, so that is the way that you set up a school and a course on Teachable. And I hope that this session has been helpful to you. Have a great day. Mwah!